Railways on this special occasion of closing ceremony of first ever the India Toy Fair 2021. We are grateful to you, sir, for your continuous guidance for this event. I welcome Secretary Textile Government of India and other senior officers of Government of India and thank them for their invaluable. I welcome Yeah, we are sorry for this. I also welcome chief secretaries and other officers of the state governments who supported us in many ways. I welcome Shri Rakesh Kumar, DG EPCH, industry partners, and delegates for their association. And very importantly, I welcome students, teachers, parents who play a key role in this sector. I also welcome media representatives who are present today on this closing ceremony of the India Toy Fair 2021, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister on 27th February. It all started in September-October 2020, when National Action Plan for Toys was formulated, and it was envisaged that a big toy fair be organized in which handmade as well as machine-made toy manufacturers of India would participate. And apart from that, there would be so many other activities. A steering committee consisting of officers from 8 ministries and 10 organizations was formed. It had several rounds of discussions with the state governments, and I'm glad to share here that all states and UTs have been represented well in this fair. I welcome the participants from all the states on this occasion. While preparing the most of the exhibitors for this, cluster-wise teams were formed, comprising field functionaries of both central and state governments, photography agencies, NIFT students. So on this occasion, I welcome them also on this event. The contestants who participated in the design contest are also welcome. Now I request Shri UP Singh, Secretary Textile Government of India, to present the summary proceedings of the India Toy Fair 2021. Thank you.
Namaskar. Honorable Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Sri Piyush Goyal, Secretary to the Government of India, Chief Secretary and other officials of central and state governments, office bearers of the participating organizations, representatives of toy industry, artisans, media representative and friends. A very good evening to all of you and a hearty welcome to the closing function of the India Toy Fair 2021. Now I will present to you a very brief report on the first ever India Toy Fair. The India Toy Fair 2021 has been the first of its kind inter-ministerial initiative with active participation of organizations associated with toys. 8 participating ministries and 19 participating organizations worked together to ensure the success of the event. Over 20 lakh visitors from over 110 countries and 30 Indian states and union territories registered for the fair. More than 39 lakh visitors have visited the fair so far. 1,074 exhibitors from across India showcased their products at the fair. 14 unique panel discussions, webinars, and activities were organized with 103 speakers, including 10 global CEOs and co-founders. The 4-day event from 27 February to 2nd March was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi. In his inaugural address, the Prime Minister called for bringing out the hidden potential of the Indian toy industry. He highlighted the pedagogical potential of toys and their importance in learning and development of a child. He also highlighted that people do not only buy toys as a product, but also want to connect with the experience associated with the toy. He urged the industry to make toys that are not only good for ecology, but also for psychology. The Honorable Prime Minister asserted that India has both tradition and technology, and also concepts and competence to expand the global footprints of the industry. During the inauguration ceremony, the Honorable Prime Minister also interacted with artisans from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, Channapatna in Karnataka, and Jaipur in Rajasthan, and encourage them to adopt product innovation while preserving the heritage of traditional toy making. 19 engaging webinars and panel discussions spread across 4 days provided viewers with novel and unique insights of the toy industry in India. During the CEO conclave held on the first day of the event, it was the first time in India that 10 global CEOs and 2 union ministers, the Minister of Textiles and Minister of Commerce and Industry, came together to discuss the potential of the Indian toy industry. The sessions over the 4 days focused on the broader themes of global trends in the toy industry, use of toy in pedagogy and education, and role of design for product development and of technology for value addition. 16 immersive activities over the 4 days engaged the users. 8 craft demonstrations by artisans of traditional toy clusters, Varanasi, Channapatna, Kondapalli, Jaipur, Narsapura, Kinnal, Asairkandi, and Itikopakka provided users with insights on the art and craft of traditional toy making. The fair also included thematic workshops on toy making and online activities for children, a virtual tour of doll museum, visit to a toy manufacturing factory, and a demo on drone technology by IIT and ISC. The 1,074 exhibitors that showcased their products at the virtual exhibition represented 30 states and union territories, 60 clusters including 13 traditional clusters and 15 product segments ranging from traditional to modern. The exhibitors included artisans, schools, startups, MSMEs, global conglomerates, and other industry players. The India Toy Fair also hosted a toy design challenge. There were 225 entries in the toy design challenge in 2 categories, professionals and amateur. In each category, we are giving cash prizes of rupees 1 lakh, rupees 50,000 and rupees 25,000 to the first, second and third prize winners. In addition to cash prizes, winners are being given certificate of recognition. Now I will announce the winners of Toy Design Challenge. The winners will receive their prizes virtually in august presence of Honorable Minister for Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. In the professional category, the first prize goes to Aditya Chopra. Aditya Gupta. Congratulations, Aditya Gupta. The second prize in this category goes to Garima Kaushik. Congratulations, Garima. The third prize in this category goes to Aditi Ganpati. Congratulations, Aditi. Now we move to amateur category. In this category, the first prize goes to Nabya Sukla. Congratulations, Nabya. The second prize in this category goes to Sanjana Ramkrishnan. Congratulations, Sanjana. The third prize in the category goes to Isha Vijayan. Congratulations, Isha Vijayan. I will like to once again congratulate all the winners and all the participants who took part in the Toy Design Challenge. Now I will invite Honorable Minister for Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution for his valedictory address as Chief Guest. Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister may unmute himself. Sir, you are on mute. Sir, kindly unmute yourself, sir.
देखो उधर, हाँ अभी हुआ. I'm sorry, there was the boy had muted me from the main system. Thank you very much, Secretary Singh, all the distinguished participants of this concluding ceremony of the India Toy Fair 2021, secretaries, other colleagues from the government, all the winners of today's awards, all the participants who have joined us virtually, ladies and gentlemen. This was truly a labor of love that was demonstrated in the collective effort of so many well-meaning individuals that this toy fair has been such a grand success. The Honorable Prime Minister initiated this movement as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat to inculcate the true potential of toys and to develop the ecosystem of toys in the country through his Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives. I remember when the figures of import of toys first came out, it was quite a shocking figure. Similarly, the quality of toys that were being sold in India were found to be significantly substandard. And the potential that the toy industry holds to impact our young boys and girls, our children, to make them better citizens, to help them evolve, particularly in their formative years, was recognized by no less a person than the Prime Minister himself. And he took up this initiative in right earnest. My colleague and sister, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani ji, put in a lot of passionate labor to make this program a national movement. And I think the 4 days of the toy fair have truly created a window of opportunity for our artisans, our MSMEs, our startups, our young designers, our thinkers who come up with new ideas. And the response that this toy fair has got, as articulated by Secretary Singh, is phenomenal. It's beyond our own imagination. At the outset, let me congratulate all the winners of the Toy Design Challenge. We could get a glimpse of some of your designs. And I have no doubt in my mind that many more children and many more young boys and girls will be encouraged with your efforts and the recognition of your designs to also come up with new ideas and aspire to be winners of such competitions in the future. As they say, the formula for success is to connect psychology to technology and eco-friendly to ecosystems. When all of these get connected in our toys ecosystem, when they become more eco-friendly, when we are able to make the toys more relevant to the formative growing up years of our children, when technology can be put to best use, we can, I think, really give a big boost to the toy industry. It can not only meet the needs of India, but also we can become a global player in the toy segment. And the potential is humongous. I remember at the inaugural program, when the Prime Minister was talking to toy makers in different parts of the country, he was also talking to the Channapatna toy makers. I'm happy to share with you that the railway ministry, the railways, has displayed indigenous toys and handicrafts at the Channapatna station in Karnataka to promote local toy manufacturing cluster that is existing there for so many long years. Similarly, the Indian toy story if we are able to take it to global platforms, we can really get a lot of traction for some of the good work that we are doing. Our toys not only showcase our rich culture and heritage, but also have huge potential in the training of our children through practical ideas, through ways and means to develop the mind of the child. Often also is inquisitiveness and a spirit of inquiry. There are a lot of success stories in the toy industry that have often been discussed, but I'm glad that this Toycathon that was held has really come up with a lot of new ideas. I believe 17,000 plus new ideas, and the government has identified toys as one of the champion sectors, the focus sectors, with a proper long-term vision and plan to develop toy clusters all over the country and the toy manufacturing to be made truly a national movement with large volumes, high productivity, and quality toys being offered to the world, both with technology and with eco-friendly materials. Toys also give us a chance to look after the holistic development of our children. They play a very vital role in the initial years of a child's education, whether it's science, teaching you kinetic energy or gravity, whether it's social connect that it teaches you. Literally, when kids are playing, kitchen, there's a kitchen set, and you are actually connecting our young children with all that goes on into a kitchen. Or when you are doing car racing and you are inculcating that spirit of competitiveness into our young children. All of these help in the development of our children. As the Honorable Prime Minister said, the inquisitiveness of our children and the children's imagination is huge. There's absolutely no limit to a child's imagination. Small toys often help that imagination flourish, satisfy their curiosity, and awaken their creativity. I'm indeed grateful to the Prime Minister for all the personal interest he has taken to promote the toy industry in India, his own personal conviction that India has a lot to offer to the rest of the world. I'm grateful to Smritiji for having taken up this project in right earnest, to all my colleagues, secretaries, different industry associations, state governments, and all the participants of this toy fair, the millions or lakhs of people who visited the toy fair, the 103 speakers who actually participated in the various seminars and webinars, the various countries who came together to participate in this toy fair, the clusters of toys from all over the country who were active in making this India Toy Fair 2021 a great success. I think the effort has been phenomenal. The success has been inspirational. And in a way, toys can become a symbol to demonstrate India's quality, uniqueness, innovation, eco-friendliness, and the thrill of Indian toys. QUIET. Quietly, we can make Indian toys have a big bang effect on the rest of the world. Let us all remember, ladies and gentlemen, our mission not only to make India Atmanirbhar in toys, self-reliant, but also to become a global player with toys made in India, new toys developed and created in India, going across the ocean in 2 different countries worldwide and helping create the India brand across the length and breadth of the world. My best wishes to all the participants. I am confident that given the initiative and the hard work that has gone into this toy fair, we are poised at the cusp of a revolution in the toy sector. This is only a baby step. This is only a beginning. We have miles to go, but I have no doubt in my mind that collectively, all of us will ensure the success of this sector, this effort and initiative that 8 ministries have put in, who work tirelessly to make this event a grand success. All the support of the various states in making this a great grand success will help ensure that as we bring down the curtain to this event, many more new doors of opportunity will open for the toy industry in the future. My compliments to all of you. Good wishes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, with your permission, sir, I am happy to announce you that on a popular demand, sir, we are extending this fair for another 2 days, sir. So since it's a virtual, sir, we will continue this. And thank you very much for, sir, your certain offers. For example, sir, the stations. In fact, we are already in the process of having, sir, some traffic islands as toy circles, actually. So some of the stations could be a very good place for exhibiting our rich toy tradition, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I'm also happy to inform you that, sir, it has been decided that after this virtual toy fair, we will also have maybe 10 to 12, sir, physical regional toy fairs, sir. So that also we would be taking up soon, sir. So thank you very much, sir. Now I will request Rakesh Kumar, DG EPCH, to propose a formal vote of thanks.
Namaskar and very good evening, sir. Honorable Minister, thank you very much for a very thought-provoking address.